Say, Tarzan, watch out for that tree. Ah. Kirsten. Yeah. Oh, that is scary monster noise. Why do you keep hitting yourself? That look painful. Let's see your tongue. Let's see your tongue, Hayden. Ow, that scratched me. You got nails. Tongue. Ready? Oh no! Oh no! You did not like that? You forgot all about it now, right? No? Oh no, not on the video! We're having fun! I think he bonked his head on my knee.